Well, have you seen the new coupon deals that just came out? Actually, probably yesterday or the day before. I'm a day behind because of the holiday. Sorry about that. These are good May 26th through June 7th at Harbor Freight. Let's just jump in here. It's a bunch of super coupons here. We have the 21-gallon, 175 PSI oil-free vertical shop auto compressor. It's 30 bucks off now to $239.99. How about that high velocity, low pressure gravity feed air spray gun? These are a really good seller at Harbor Freight and a lot of good reviews on them. It's not a professional gun, but it'll do what you probably need around the house. $9.99, that's 41% off. How about a Banks 3-in-1 framing nailer? If you just need some light work, need to use this a few times, it's perfect for the do-it-yourselfer. $99.99, it's down 20 bucks. They're still running some good deals on these 1/2 inch by 50-foot rubber air hoses. This has got the 1/2 inch NPT fittings. It's 20% off, down to $39.99. The 1-inch pistol grip air impact wrench, twin hammer, they're knocking 50 bucks off with this coupon. $169.99. So if you've been waiting on a really heavy duty impact, here's your chance. How about the Chief Air Punch and Flange Tool? $49.99, down from $69.99. It's 28% off. They're still running great deals on these jacks. Here's a Badlands 3-ton off-road, so it's got the big heavy-duty wheels. $299, it's $80 off. Tire inflator with LED light. This is the Pittsburgh brand, 20% off, down to $39.99. Pick you up a few cans of brake clean while it's on sale. It's 37% off, $4.99 a can. Puller sets. Obviously, when you need one, you need one. It's bad to run to the store. $29.99. You can pick you up a set of 4, 25% off, down from $39.99. Need some degreaser? I haven't used this, but the reviews look pretty good, so I think I'm going to go on and pick me up a gallon while I'm over at the store this week. $7.99, that's 38% off. Hard to beat on some degreaser. How about the Holt pneumatic air operated brake bleeder? $69.99, that's 30 bucks off. Pick you up a funnel set. If yours is kind of dirty, just throw them away and buy some more. 4 pieces for 99 cents. It's kind of hard to beat. How about the Icon 3/8 inch drive oil filter sockets? If you do multiple oil changes on these cars that have the different size filters, $29.99. That's 45% off. That is 45% off. Great deal. Some hydraulic oil. It's 18% off. If you need a little bit for your jacks and whatnot, $6.49. How about the commercial truck U-joint puller? If you got a semi or something that you maintain, $89.99. That's 20 bucks off. An automatic grease gun, 14% off, down to $59.99 from $69.99. If you have a lift, how about that portable oil lift drain? $149.99. I wish I had a lift, but some of you do, so that might be a good investment for you. It's $40 off. How about a wheeled automatic battery charger with a jump starter? 10 bucks off, down to $139.99. Excellent reviews on it. Here's a winch, 9,500 pounds, down 50 bucks to $279.99. Here's a battery maintainer and float charger. This is by Syntec, 15% off, $16.99. Here's some 4-gauge, so heavy duty jumper cables, $21.99. That's a great deal considering the price of metal. It's 21% off. And here's some 8-gauge, a little lighter gauge, but still adequate. $11.99. Those gloves, if you need a box of the vinyl, they're down 37% to $4.99. I wish I'd have waited, I guess. I just bought a box of those. How about the 1 horsepower cast iron shallow well pump? $189, it's $20 off. Here's some more Hardy gloves. This is the split leather with cotton. This is 5 pairs now, $6.99. 1/2 inch cast iron transfer pump, $89.99. That's 20 bucks off. Here's a drill pump, 27% off. You can pick that thing up for $12.99 if you got something you need to drain out really quick. Here's a dual power cordless transfer pump. So it's going to run off a battery and or electricity. And that's by Bauer, $79.99. It's 11% off. Another deal on some Hardy gloves. This is the goat skin leather gloves with mesh back, $7.99. Here's the titanium nitride coated alloy steel tap and die set. It's 22% off, down to $69.99 from $89.99. Here's another icon deal. It's the tap and die set, 41 piece, 20 bucks off to $129.99. Here's a fully polished SA and metric wrench set, 22 pieces for $15.99 by Pittsburgh. Do-it-yourselfers, these work just fine and they're lifetime warranted if something occurs with them. Here's the Quinn 3/4 inch drive impact socket set, $39.99, that's 20% off. Quinn's 1/4 inch drive SAE and metric master socket set, 18% off, down to $44.99. 58-inch professional pry bar with a curved tip, $84.99. That's 15 bucks off. Here's another deal on an Icon pliers. It's the Fast Adjust for $19.99, down from $24.99. A nice 8-pound hickory sledgehammer for $19.99. That's 20% off. Here's some Pittsburgh needle nose pliers for $1.99. If you just need some some toolbox stuffers for your various toolboxes around or glove boxes. The 4.5 inch diagonal cutters, $1.49. The 4 3/4 long nose for $1.99, and the 4 3/4 bent nose for $1.99. No reason not to have plenty of pliers around. You got that TV mount. This is up to 65 inches and down to 23 inches for $17.99. That's 48% off. Here's a 400-foot wire spool rack. And as I said, metal prices are up, so that is a deal at $34.99. Here's a 900 aluminum rechargeable. It is rechargeable LED swivel head for $19.99, down 20%. 6-outlet power strip with the metal housing, $19.99. That's down from $24.99. A nice headlamp, $1.99. So if you got a job under the house you just need to use once or twice, this is going to be very handy. $1.99, 50% off. Here's a 300 lumen magnetic pocket work light for $4.99. It's down 37% by Braun. Here's another Braun. This is a leak detector LED flashlight, 37% off, down to $4.99. And how about just a round earth magnet for $3.99, down from $5.99. There are many more deals, but I don't want this video to last all day. So I hope a few of these sparked your interest. And I plan to put out some specific videos on that upcoming parking lot sale. So be looking out for that. Please like and subscribe. And until the next video, y'all take care.